in latest entertainment report with the latest and greatest in Hollywood coming up next. You already learned that you can't be generic. You have to be specific, right? So that violates one of those. But there's nothing emotional in that, is there? What if you changed it to this? An underdog reigns supreme. The incredible rags to riches story that has everyone talking. And what comes next for last night's shocking upset winner at the Academy Awards? So you can easily see and imagine the difference here. If you inject color and detail into your language, the content will come alive. Now, this doesn't happen automatically, but you can develop your own library of words. And there's no shortage of those action words that improve results. Here's a relatively short list. Things like ordeal and severe and shocking and revolutionary and unsettling and outrageous and shameful and resentful and confrontational and sabotage. Notice how all of those inspire an emotional response. It's dressing it up and making it more exciting, more interesting, and more colorful, which also, by the way, will serve you very well when you're telling stories. It's a great storytelling technique as well as something that you can use in teasing. Don't be afraid to dress it up. Just don't go so far that you